Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an EIN online. First, understand that an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is your business's federal tax ID, much like a social security number for an individual. You'll need one for various business activities, including hiring employees or opening a business bank account. The online application is a free service from the IRS, and you can often receive your EIN instantly. Before you begin, ensure your business is physically located within the United States or its territories. You'll also need to identify a responsible party, who must have a valid taxpayer identification number, such as a social security number. Have your business's legal name, mailing address, entity type, and the reason for your EIN application ready to ensure a smooth process. To apply, go to the EIN application section on the official IRS website. Click Apply Online now and then begin application. You'll select your business's legal structure, such as a sole proprietorship or LLC, and answer a series of questions about your business. It's crucial to double-check all information for accuracy before submitting your application. Once you successfully complete the online application, your EIN is usually issued immediately. Make sure to save or print the confirmation notice for your records, as this is your official documentation. You can then use your new 9-digit EIN to open a business bank account, apply for necessary licenses, and fulfill your federal tax obligations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.